Robust grates on the initial receiving conveyor allow loose soil, small stones, and field debris to fall.
Perforated design allows water, mud, and small debris to escape, while the potatoes continue their journey through the washing cycle. Exit the drum, the potatoes pass under a series of powerful overhead lights, illuminating their surfaces for detailed inspection.
The system precisely identifies and categorizes defects such as green spots, black spots, bruises, or remaining small pieces of skin.
With extensive defects, a pneumatic air jet system automatically ejects them from the main conveyor onto a separate rejection chute. The precision of the robotic trimming arms is highlighted as they deftly remove a small blemish without wasting surrounding good potato flesh. A series of internal baffles gently agitates the potatoes, ensuring every surface is exposed to the high-pressure water. The vessel then rotates, gently tumbling the potatoes to ensure even peeling and to prevent any sticking.
Potatoes appear uniformly smooth and free of blemishes, showcasing the effectiveness of the automated steam peeling technology. Water, maintained at a precise temperature by automated heating elements, starts to gelatinize the starch on the surface of the fry.
Fries move through successive sections. The water temperature might vary, optimizing the blanching process for texture and color.
The blanching process helps to remove excess surface starch, preventing the fries from sticking together and ensuring a crispier final product.
Potato sticks, now slightly softened, retain their uniform shape, demonstrating the gentle yet effective blanching action.
Industrial fans force heated air through the drying tunnel, gently removing surface moisture from the potato sticks. Inline moisture sensors continuously measure the moisture content of the potato sticks as they progress through the dryer. Frost vents at the top of the dryer release the moisture-laden air, preventing humidity buildup within the system. The potato sticks appear slightly drier and firmer as they exit the drying tunnel, having lost a significant amount of surface water.
The gentle drying process prevents the fries from becoming brittle or breaking before frying.
The potato sticks, now perfectly prepared, move smoothly towards the frying section, demonstrating the continuous flow of the production line.
potato sticks enter the oil. Vigorous bubbling indicates the rapid evaporation of remaining moisture and the start of the cooking process. Fries slowly begin to change color, transitioning from pale white to a light golden hue as they absorb oil and cook.
Inline oil temperature probes continuously monitor and adjust the oil temperature, crucial for consistent fry quality and texture.
A continuous oil filtration system removes any small potato fragments or carbonized particles.
Receives uniform cooking. The gentle movement of the fries on the conveyor prevents breakage, even though they are still somewhat delicate. That are stuck together in clumps are also identified and removed by targeted air blasts, ensuring individual fry integrity.
The potato sticks, now significantly cooler and less oily, appear firmer and more stable in their structure.
Rejected fries are transported via a dedicated conveyor to a separate collection bin, preventing them from entering the final product. Perfectly formed, golden brown potato sticks continue their journey, having passed through a gauntlet of automated quality checks. Head weigher, a sophisticated system of vibrating hoppers and weigh buckets, precisely measures the exact amount of fries for each bag. Once the target weight is achieved, the weighed portion of fries is rapidly dropped through a funnel into pre-formed plastic bags.
High-speed heat sealing bars create strong, airtight seals on the top and bottom of each bag, ensuring product integrity.
The sealed bag then passes through an inline metal detector, which automatically rejects any bag containing even the smallest metallic contaminant. Finished bags of frozen fries are then conveyed to an automated case packer, which arranges them into cardboard boxes.
Filled cases are then automatically sealed with adhesive tape and moved to the next stage.